This cat is called find unique string. What do we have to do here? Well, we get a list of strings and all the strings contain similar letters, except one. And we have to return that string. Well, let's go. First of all, what I want to do is create one major string of this entire list as follows. So let's call it major string is equal to the array. And then we use the join method to make one major string of it. We don't need any delimiters, so we just use a double quotation mark. Let's print it. Yeah. And why do we want to have the string? Well, I want to make a dictionary of it to count all the characters in the string. And why, we see in a bit. But let's create the dictionary first to do the so-called groundwork. So what we have to do is to iterate through the string. So for character in major string, let's print the characters. Nothing special, just the characters. Yeah, let's create an empty dictionary. The dictionary is empty. And what we do is the following. Make these conditions. If the character is not in the dictionary, then we add the character as a key to the dictionary with the value of 1. Else, or in other words, elif, the character is already in the dictionary, then we do the following. Then we don't add the character as a key to the dictionary with a value of 1. No, we just add a 1 to the existing key value pair. So we add a 1 to the existing value. Let's print the dictionary out, check our work. That's fine what's going on here, but it's better when we convert all the letters to lowercase letters. How can we do that? Well, we can use the lower method here on the major string. Yeah, so we have in total 4 instances of b. And why do I want to use this? Well, because we can extract the minimum key value pair from the dictionary as well, as follows. Let's create a new variable. The minimum is equal to minimum. We use the built-in minimum function. You are probably acquainted with it. As an argument, we pass in the dictionary, and then as a second argument, a key, which is the get method. So dictionary.get. And with this method, we can extract the key with the lowest value. Let's check our work again. The minimum is just a b, which is correct in this case. So now we can finally get to work, which means that we can iterate through the array. So for word in array, print the word. It's better to convert it to lowercase immediately for our check, because I want to check out if the minimum is in the word. In other words, is the minimum in the word if we convert it to lowercase. And let's have a look here. Yeah, when we stumble upon the string that differs from the others, we get a true back. So if this condition is met, we only have to return the word. And this will return the original word without the lowercase letters. Yeah, there we have it. Let's check out if it works for this one as well. Hey, now well, it seems to work out. Let's check it. Attempt. And there we go. Passed all the tests. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.